Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the system. Update OBS now and back up your scene collection and profile so settings are reversible. Close browsers, game clients, and video editors to free CPU and GPU. Once done, set Windows Power Plan to high performance. Make sure your GPU drivers are current and that a hardware encoder like NVENC or QuickSync is present. This offloads encoding from CPU and is the foundation of low-latency recording. You now reconfigure OBS encoding. Change the encoder to NVENC or QuickSync. The hardware path reduces CPU contention and prevents frame drops. Next, choose CBR rate control and set bitrate between 15,000 and 50,000 depending on your target quality and storage. Set keyframe interval to 2 for stability. Select MKV recording to avoid corrupt files. Pick a balanced preset so encoding doesn't overwhelm the GPU. And set OBS process priority to above normal to keep scheduling consistent. You finish by validating capture and running short tests. Choose game capture when possible, otherwise pick display capture and lock to a single monitor to reduce overhead. Record 60 to 90 seconds and watch the OBS stats for dropped frames, render lag, and encoder queue. Also monitor CPU and GPU usage to find the bottleneck. If lag persists, lower resolution to 1280 x 720. Drop frame rate to 30.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.